You're absolutely right, Mary. The name Regina Daniels is trending once again, but not for a new movie role or business project. It's for a heartbreaking viral video and a shocking response from her husband, Senator Ned Nwoko.
This story touches on everything: marriage, fame, addiction, and public image. So if you're listening, sit tight. Let's unpack what really went down and why it's sparking so much conversation across Nigeria and beyond.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Profitable Peter Studio, the place where creativity meets profitability. If you've ever wanted to bring multiple animated characters to life in one scene, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to lip-sync multiple characters using LipSync.Video, a powerful AI tool that automatically syncs your voice or dialogue with character animations. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make 2 or more characters talk naturally in the same video, perfect for animated storytelling, skits, or explainer videos. So, let's dive right in. Before opening LipSync.Video, you need a well-written dialogue script. Make sure each character's lines are clearly labeled. Once your script is ready, record each character's voice separately. You can use Audacity, CapCut, or even your phone's voice recorder. Just make sure the voices sound distinct so viewers can tell who's talking. Pro tip: add emotion and pauses. That helps the lip sync look more natural later. Now go to LipSync.Video and upload your character images. You can use AI-generated faces from tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney, or use cartoon characters you already designed. Make sure the characters' faces are clearly visible. Their mouths are slightly closed. This helps the animation look realistic. Click AI Dialogue Video and upload an image with multiple characters like so. After uploading your image, click on Audio on the first conversation. The first conversation means the first person in the image will speak first. Upload the audio and go to Second Conversation to upload the audio for the second person on the image facing you. After uploading your characters, click on Generate to generate your dialogue, and click on My Creation to see the progress. After it finishes processing it, you can listen to it. If you like it, download to your device.
You're absolutely right, Mary. The name Regina Daniels is trending once again, but not for a new movie role or business project. It's for a heartbreaking viral video and a shocking response from her husband, Senator Ned Nwoko.
This story touches on everything: marriage, fame, addiction, and public image. So if you're listening, sit tight. Let's unpack what really went down and why it's sparking so much conversation across Nigeria and beyond.
And that's it. You've just learned how to lip-sync multiple characters using LipSync.Video from start to finish. With just a few steps, you can now bring your characters to life and create engaging animated conversations that look professional and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos from Profitable Peter Studio. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay consistent, and most of all, stay profitable.